I hope you all are fine at home and doing your homework and studies at home. So children, as we have learned letter T, and today we are going to learn letter S. Okay, T after comes F, S. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write capital S and how to write small letter S, and we are going to learn the sound also. So let's start. Children, this is letter S. S. Like this you have to write. In a curve pattern you have to write letter S. And the sound of letter S is, children, S, 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 like this. The sound of letter S is S, 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 S. S for snake. S for sun. S for soap. S for sunflower. S for socks. Can you see the socks, sunflower? Yes. All these letters start with letter S. Okay? And the sound of letter S is S, 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 S. Okay? So now we are going to write letter S. We are going to learn how to write letter S. So this is very simple, children. Just you have to do a curve. From here, curve, SA, and come down. So it becomes curve C, and from here C. So it becomes S. Okay. How we write letter number 8, children? Like this, and then we goes up now. So like this only you have to do curve. 2 curves you have to do, opposite curves. Okay. So from here start, from here curve banao, come down and make another curve. We have learned this curve pattern, right children? I have taught you. So here you have to do this pattern. Curve, from here curve. So it becomes letter S. So this is capital S, this is small letter S. Both are same, children, but the size is big and small. But both are same in writing pattern. So now we are going to learn in red and blue line. This is your red and blue line. So red line से चालू करना है capital S. You have to go. Children, in a middle there is a blue line. So one curve you have to complete in a blue line, and then you have to again start a new second curve from blue line to blue line. ऐसे, ठीक है? So the point, the middle point should be come in a middle. Okay? So now small s should be come in a 2 blue lines like this. So it becomes letter S. Okay? Again S. Your curve, from यहाँ से ही एक और छोटा curve. So it becomes letter S. Small letter S like this. This is small letter S. Okay? It's very simple, children. If you are not able to do, tell your mother to give you dot dot. Okay? C. You have to do some C and then opposite C. S. So it's very simple. And small also you have to do like this only. Like this. Okay, children? If you are not able to do, look, I am doing the dots, and then on the dots you trace like this. Okay? ऐसे डॉट करो और फिर बाद में उसके ऊपर ट्रेस करो, तो you will be able to do it. S. Like this you have to do S. Curve and curve. Small curve and opposite small curve. S for snake. S for socks. S for sun. S for sunflower. So all this letter start with letter S, children. So this is very simple, children. And if you are not able to do, dot करके फिर आप करो, ठीक है? And share me the photos and videos of writing of letter S. Okay? And we'll meet tomorrow. Okay? And be safe at home. Don't go out. Children, bye. Take care.